In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to record your screen in an Android device for restricted apps, or if you are in developer mode without downloading any extra application from the internet or the Google Play Store. So normally when you want to record your screen, you always go to the Google Play Store and you download an application, or you get to the internet and download an application from there and try recording your screen. But the result is not going to be good because of the fact that any external applications that you download is automatically blocked for restricted parts of the screen. So if you are maybe on developer mode and you're trying to make an educational video showing your viewers how to get to developer mode, how to do something on developer mode of an Android device, you're going to get a black screen on those restricted area by default. And now if you do not want to get a black screen on your entire recording, what you need to do is to use the inbuilt recorder. Yes, all or most Android devices these days have an inbuilt screen recorder. If you use that screen recorder, neither will you have to download anything from the internet or the Google Play Store, and you would not be getting a black screen in your recorder. So it's very simple to get your recorder on your phone. Just scroll down, and in the shortcut menu, just scroll to the right and you're going to see an icon out here for the recorder. Just tap on it, open the recorder and start recording. So for example, let's get to settings and look for developer options or developer mode. And then you go ahead and click on web view implementation or whatever it is. And then you go ahead and scroll down a bit, and whatever you need to do on developer mode, it is going to get recorded like this. But if you're not using the inbuilt application, if you're using a third-party app, by default Android is going to give you a black screen when you're kind of recording these type of restricted areas on the phone or restricted screens for different applications. So this should solve your problem. If you're still facing an issue with screen recording on your Android phone, do let me know via an email, or you could even post a comment in the comment section below. I'll do my best to help you. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.